Hey everyone! Today, we've got some exciting news from the world of technology and innovation. Researchers at Osaka University have developed a groundbreaking positioning system that perfectly aligns the coordinates of the real and virtual worlds without needing predefined routes. This advancement is achieved by integrating two vision-based self-location estimation methods, visual positioning systems, VPS, and natural feature-based tracking. Let's dive into what this means and how it can revolutionize various industries, especially those involving drones and mixed reality. Welcome to Trendstorm. Chapter 1: The Breakthrough. The team at Osaka University has combined visual positioning systems, VPS, and natural feature-based tracking to create a positioning system that doesn't require predefined routes. This is a game-changer for drone-based mixed reality, making it more versatile and accessible using commercially available drones. Imagine being able to simulate urban landscapes or support maintenance and inspection work with unmatched precision and flexibility. Chapter 2: The Role of Drones in AEC. In recent years, drones have become invaluable in the fields of architecture, engineering, and construction, AEC. Their ability to save time, improve accuracy, enhance safety, and reduce costs has made them a go-to tool. Integrating drones with MiSTer opens up even more possibilities, as it allows for landscape simulations of large-scale spaces like cities and buildings without being limited by the user's physical range of action. Chapter 3: Overcoming Previous Limitations. Past methods for integrating MiSTer with commercial drones required predefined flight routes to align the real and virtual worlds, which limited their versatility and use cases. This new positioning system from Osaka University changes the game by offering a highly adaptable solution that doesn't rely on preset routes. While the research hasn't yet implemented a fully functional drone-based MiSTer application, the potential for future functionalities is vast. Chapter 4: Applications and Future Potential. This innovative alignment system brings us closer to fully realizing drone-centric MiSTer applications that can be utilized throughout the entire lifecycle of architectural projects. From the initial stages of design and planning to maintenance and inspection, the possibilities are endless. Irie Kinoshita, the first author of the study, highlights the potential of integrating drones and MiSTer to solve various social issues. These include urban planning, infrastructure development and maintenance, disaster response, humanitarian aid, cultural protection, tourism, and environmental conservation. By freeing MiSTer users from the constraints of their immediate vicinity, this technology enables a freer perspective and more dynamic MiSTer experiences. So what's the conclusion? The development from Osaka University is a significant step forward in the integration of drones and mixed reality. This versatile positioning system can transform how we approach urban planning, construction, maintenance, and many other fields. Source: Osaka University. If you found this video informative and exciting, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest technological breakthroughs. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.